Atlas Nest Docking Station. The Atlas Nest Docking Station is a smart and powerful system that makes flying and managing drones super easy. It's built to handle everything, from landing and charging to data transfer, completely on its own. Once set up, you don't need to do a thing. Your drone can land, recharge, and get ready for the next flight all automatically. Made to work in all kinds of weather, the Atlas Nest keeps your drone safe during takeoff and landing, rain or shine. Its advanced software helps drones stay connected, run automatic health checks, and even plan future flights. Whether you're in a busy city, on a rooftop, or in a remote field, its compact and modular design makes it easy to place anywhere. Security is also a big part of the package. With access control and built-in cameras, the station protects your drones and their data from any threats. Bayman Robot Dilly is a cute and smart delivery robot created by Woowa Brothers, the company behind South Korea's popular food app, Bayman. This little robot is designed to bring your food right to your door without needing a human delivery person. It uses cameras, sensors, and smart navigation to move around safely, whether it's inside a building or outside on the streets. Dilly comes in different versions for different jobs. Dilly Plate helps deliver food inside restaurants. Dilly Tower works in buildings and can even use elevators. And Dilly Drive handles outdoor deliveries like a mini self-driving car. It talks to people through a screen and keeps your food safe in a locked compartment that only you can open. It's electric, eco-friendly, and super efficient. With Dilly, food delivery becomes contactless, fun, and futuristic. It's already being tested in apartments, schools, and offices, and it's turning heads everywhere it goes. Cyberit's IK system brings your full body into the world of virtual reality like never before. Designed to work with the Cyberith Virtualizer treadmill, this smart system uses motion tracking to make your VR avatar move just like you. It tracks your head, hands, hips, and even your feet if you add extra sensors, so every step, crouch, or jump feels real inside the game. Whether you're walking, running, or turning, your movements are fully mirrored in VR. Setting it up is super simple. Just stand in a T-pose, press a button, and you're ready to go. The system works with popular platforms like Unity and Steam VR, so it's easy for developers and gamers to use. The Virtualizer Elite 2 treadmill supports 360-degree motion, letting you move freely in any direction, while built-in sensors and haptic feedback make the experience even more immersive. Dream Glass Flow. Dream Glass Flow is a pair of ultralight AR glasses that let you enjoy movies, games, and content on a giant virtual 120-inch screen anywhere you go. Weighing just 59 grams, they look like regular sunglasses but offer a powerful, immersive experience. Whether you're gaming on your Nintendo Switch, streaming Xbox or PlayStation via cloud services, or watching YouTube on a plane, these glasses bring your content to life without bulky gear. They support Wi-Fi 6 for fast, smooth streaming, have built-in speakers, and allow Bluetooth or wired headphones for private listening. With adjustable lenses for people with mild vision issues, they're comfortable to wear even over regular glasses. You can stay aware of your surroundings thanks to their see-through display mode. The Edge Desk is a smart, all-in-one workstation that combines a foldable desk and ergonomic kneeling chair in one sleek design. It sets up in just 30 seconds, no tools needed, making it perfect for people who want a quick, comfortable workspace anywhere. Weighing only 34 pounds, it's easy to carry or store, folding down to a compact size of 40 by 20 by 7 inches. Despite its portable design, it's strong enough to hold up to 250 pounds on the seat and 15 pounds on the desk surface. Built with comfort in mind, it features a kneeling-style seat that supports good posture and helps reduce back pain and muscle strain. It's adjustable to suit users between 5'2" and 6'2" tall, with tilt, height, and distance settings for a custom fit. The padded cushions provide extra support during long work or creative sessions. Artists will love that the desk also works as an easel, easily switching between portrait and landscape setups. You can even attach accessories along the desk's edge to keep everything organized. Festo Bionic Swift. The Festo Bionic Swift is a robotic bird that looks and flies almost like a real swift. Designed by Festo, a company known for creating smart machines, this lightweight flying robot weighs only 1.5 ounces and is made from carbon and flexible materials. That makes it strong, super light, and able to move smoothly through the air with quick turns and agile flight, just like a real bird. Its wings are specially designed to flap independently, helping it glide, turn, and change direction with ease. The Bionic Swift also uses an intelligent GPS system to fly on its own while avoiding obstacles. It knows exactly where it is and where it's going, making it great for flying indoors or outdoors. But it's not just about fun flying. This bird-like robot shows how nature and technology can work together. It could be used in many ways, like monitoring the environment. Hopper. The Hopper is a smart and eco-friendly mini vehicle made for easy travel around the city. It's much smaller than a regular car, about 4 times smaller, and can even ride in bike lanes. The Hopper runs on both pedals and an electric motor, giving you extra power when you need it. On a single charge, it can go up to 75 miles if you add a second battery. You can also choose a solar panel that adds extra range just by sitting in the sun. It has a comfortable, semi-covered design that keeps you safe from rain and wind. There are 2 versions, one for carrying people and another for carrying cargo. The passenger version can fit 1 adult and 2 kids or 2 adults, while the cargo version can hold up to 220 liters in the back. The Hopper turns easily, has a top speed of 15 miles per hour, and is perfect for short daily trips. It also features keyless entry and a removable battery you can charge at home. The K-Boom Trailer. The K-Boom Trailer is a clever, time-saving solution made for truckers who need to move semi-trucks quickly and safely. Designed with help from experienced drivers, this trailer lets one person easily load and haul up to 2 semi-trucks, plus their own vehicle, without needing extra hands. Thanks to its built-in 12-volt hydraulic system and wireless remote control, the entire process is smooth and doesn't require climbing or heavy lifting. That means less stress on your body and way less time spent on each job. Built to handle everything from small single-axle trucks to big dual-bunk road tractors, the K-Boom fits a wide range of hauling needs. Its smart design makes loading and unloading faster compared to old-school methods, which helps save time and effort on every trip. Motorola Bendable Concept Mobile. Motorola's Bendable Concept Phone is an exciting glimpse into the future of smartphones. First shown at Lenovo Tech World 2023, this unique device features a 6.9-inch flexible OLED display that can actually bend and change shape. You can use it like a normal phone, stand it up on a table, or even wrap it around your wrist like a smartwatch. It's perfect for hands-free use. Watch videos, check messages, or take calls without ever holding it. What makes it even smarter is its built-in AI. The phone can match its appearance to your outfit with custom graphics, making it feel more personal and stylish. It's not just a phone, it's a wearable, adaptable piece of tech built for modern life. Whether you're on the go, working, or relaxing, this bendable phone can fit your lifestyle in ways regular phones can't. It's still a concept, but it shows what the future of mobile tech could look like. 9bot e-Kick Scooter C2. The 9bot e-Kick Scooter C2 is a fun, stylish, and safe electric scooter made especially for kids and teens. With its bright orange and blue design and cool lighting effects, it instantly grabs attention. It's not just about looks. The C2 can reach speeds up to 12.4 miles per hour, giving young riders an exciting yet safe ride. Built for comfort and control, it features soft TPR handlebar grips, anti-clamp safety elements, and a reliable mechanical drum brake for smooth and safe stops. The built-in LED dashboard keeps kids updated on their speed and battery life in real time, making every ride smart and easy to manage. One of the best parts? The adjustable handlebar grows with your child, so they can enjoy it for years.